I'm Diane Rosagnola with NAREIT, and I'm here today in conjunction with NAREIT's REIT World with Michael Weil, Chief Executive Officer, President, and Chairman of the Board of Directors at American Finance Trust. Michael, how are you today?
Hi, Diane. I'm great. Thanks for having me.
The company saw rent collection rates continue to increase in the third quarter. Can you talk about how the company's portfolio put it in a strong position amid this unprecedented time in our country?
So I'm really proud of how the company has performed through this pandemic. Obviously, there's been a tremendous amount of pressure on all real estate companies and tenant-landlord relationships. We started off with a portfolio that was predominantly investment grade or implied investment grade rated. They were corporate tenants. And from our view, it was what we consider to be necessity-based retail. So as people had to adjust their lives, we were fortunate that our tenants held up very well, providing either services or products that required people to go to the brick and mortar location to pick up the product or the service. The portfolio from the beginning, we've really avoided kind of the three areas that are giving people problems right now: fitness, furniture, and theaters. So again, that really led to the very strong rent collection, and we think we're well positioned to continue that.
The company secured $715 million in CMBS financing in July. Can you talk about the significance of this transaction and how the company's overall balance sheet is positioned heading into 2021?
Again, it was a very important achievement for the company, and to accomplish it in July in the midst of this pandemic, again, I really think highlights the strength of the real estate portfolio. We had debt maturities coming. We were prepared for that. We've been working with our banking partners for quite a period of time. And through this, we were able to de-risk the portfolio, frankly, because it was a significant portion of our debt coming due. And to be able to extend the maturity landscape by 5 years at pretty historically low interest rates positions the portfolio really well. And again, because we have the high rent collection, because the portfolio is performing so well, we were able to refinance very efficiently. And as many people have been watching, it kind of took that last bit of risk out of the portfolio. And it's no longer something that we have to talk about in terms of what we will do in the future. It is complete. It was completed in a very, obviously a challenging time. So we're just very happy to have that behind us.
And finally, what are your expectations for M&A activity in the net lease sector in 2021?
It's an interesting question. And, historically, the M&A in net lease was a little more active than it's been. I think people are very focused on their portfolios. I know we are. We're, again, acquisitions, opportunities out there to continue to grow organically. M&A is always very interesting. And when you find the right M&A partner, can be very transformative and beneficial to the shareholders. But again, from my seat, it's something that we're always interested in. We would love to see the company grow, but we have a number of ways that we will actively grow the company. I think of real estate acquisitions as the organic form of growth. And we every day are reviewing the portfolio and the market. And if the right opportunity does appear, we would work very closely with our board and look forward to growing AFIN through M&A.
Michael, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you, Diane. Have a great NAREIT week.
For more from REIT World, visit REIT.com.